Are you spending hours manually tracking web data? What if we told you there's a smarter way? Introducing Browse AI, the revolutionary tool that monitors any website for you. Imagine having your e-commerce product inventory updated every hour automatically. No more spreadsheets filled with outdated data. With Browse AI, you can track job postings and integrate them with Google Sheets effortlessly. What about real estate listings? Be the first to know when new properties hit the market. With our powerful monitoring capabilities, you'll have real-time updates sent directly to your inbox or preferred software. Here are 3 compelling reasons why Browse AI is the best solution. 1. No coding skills required. It's designed for everyone. 2. Save countless hours with our bulk monitoring feature. 3. Our advanced AI optimizes your automation, ensuring accuracy every time. Unlike other tools, Browse AI is user-friendly and powerful. Set it up once and let it do the heavy lifting for you, effortlessly monitoring changes behind logins and across websites. Join the ranks of satisfied customers who have transformed their workflows. Don't waste time. Start monitoring smarter today. Click the link to start your free trial of Browse AI now.